Clear all. In this video, I am going to discuss about our chapter module 2. Chapter 1, module 2, 2.3.7 packet tracer activity, right? Already we have discussed about all these topics during our theory part. So based on this model, we have set of packet tracer activity 2.3.7, 2.5.5 and 2.7.6. These are all packet tracer activities are there. So let me explain one by one so that you will more clear about the activity related to the module 2. Okay. So now in this video, I am going to discuss about the packet tracer activity 2.3.7. So what it is going to discuss in this activity. So in this activity, it is going to explain about activity that is called navigate the iOS. Okay. So what are the different commands are available to operate the our devices? Okay. So there are, you know very well, there are basically there are three type of commands are there. One is the user execution mode and privilege execution mode and global configuration mode. And apart from this, there are some sub configuration modes are available. These are all topics we have discussed in our theory part. Okay. Now, let me explain about that each and every commands one by one so that you will get more clear about how to do that. That is called your iOS commands, access commands. Okay. Now, where we will get this packet tracer 2.3.7 activity. So for that, where you have to go, you have to log in into your Cisco Network Academy. So open your any browser. This netacad.com. Okay. So netacad.com, and already you have that account and you have to use that account, then login here, the login will come. Okay. If because already I have logged in, so that it is already login is coming. If you open the any other new, so let me show it here. Okay. If you open this new, see immediately you will have the logins button. Click the login. Here you have to use your username and login. Then immediately the password will come. Then you will log in into your where in your Cisco account. Once logged in, okay, let me go to that my page. Once logged in, you will have that one course called Spring 2025 S10 Computer Network. Already I have enrolled your name in this course. Okay. Now where we will get this 2.3.7. So now where it is available, just click that module 2. Because why it's module? Because 2.3, 2 means that is the module number 2. Just go down, 2.3 is it. Just click this one. Now you will see 2.3.7. Okay, are you getting? So now packet tracer navigation. Now here, this is called when there are two buttons are available. When you click this one, you will have that PDF file. If you want, you can take the printout and you can keep with you for your understanding purpose. Now we need a that packet tracer file. Just navigate this IO. Just click this one. Immediately once one which one for the one packet tracer file will be downloaded. Just open the file. Okay. When they open the file, it will take a little bit time. Okay. So it will open your Cisco packet tracer software. Okay. Automatically it will open. See, once the Cisco packet software is open, then immediately it will ask for your user detail. Now we have to enter the name. I'm entering my name, my email ID, I'm entering. You also do the same thing. Okay. Now enter. Now this is the file we are going to do. These are all some comments that they have given. We are going to do it here. See, this is always move here and there. So maybe it will disturb you. So if you want to keep these comments in the one side and a working file in the another side, how to do that? Just press this dock. This dock is dock to the left. Just press the dock, see the parallel it will come. Okay, now it will now. So this is the way we can easily organize our Cisco packet tracer page. Okay, now here what we are going to do, now we are going to do this one. So 2.3.7, see 2.3.7 packet tracer navigate iOS. This is the your exercise name. Here what is the objective? There are three objectives given in this activity. The part one is establish basic connections, access CLI and explore help. Part two, explore execution mode, and the third one is set clock. There are three parts in this activity. We will do one by one. Okay, there is background is also given to you. You can study it. Okay, now come to the part one. Establish basic connection, access CLI command. As we have discussed about what is CLI, that's command line interface. There are two ways we can use that access our commands, as we discussed during our theory part. One is GUI, another one is CLI. But now in this exercise, what we are going to do, we are going to use CLI command. That is called command line interface. Every command we are going to type through the keyboard. Okay. Now the part one, establish basic connections, access CLI now. So what is the step one is given? Connect PC1 to S1. What is the PC1? This is the PC1 and this is the S1. Connect PC1 to S1 using console cable, they mentioned. Where is the, we are going to use the one special cable called console cable. That console cable we are going to connect between that PC1 S1. Okay, where it is available, the steps is given here one by one. See, click connections. Where is the click connections icon? Where is the connections icon? This is the connections icon. Okay, click the connections icon. Then they said that select light blue console cable. Where is the light blue? See, the word is also coming console. Click the console cable. Now by clicking it, the mouse pointer will change the what appear the container. So this is selected. Now we are going to make connections between sorry, this PC1 S1. So click PC1. I just click the PC1. What they said, then press RS232. We are going to click this RS232. Now this is the port RS232 port I am using. This one RS232 port I am here. Click. Then where this we are that next is a drag and other end the console connections to the S1 and switch. Now we are going to make the connections. Click it here. Now which one we are going to connect? They said that use console. Where is the console? Here. You got my point. What I did, so again one more time I will do that. I'm going to delete. So this is the delete option. I'm just click the delete. Now I'm going to connect PC1 to S1, use console cable. Click the connections, click the console from PC1 RS232, switch console. That's it. So now it is connected. This is the special cable is used for to connect PC1 S1. Why we are going to use this one? Because we are going to access the switch one through the PC1. So all the commands we are going to enter through PC1 for the switch. This is the we are going to use. Okay. Now connection is done. See, establish the time. Now the connection is we have connected. What is the next step? Establish the terminal session. For now we are going to use the terminal. For that what we are going to do? Click PC1. We are going to follow the steps what they given here. Click the PC1 and they mention that, and click the terminal, and they said the desktop tab. Click the desktop tab and click the terminal. So click the terminal. I'm just click the terminal. Here they're telling click the terminal application icon. Verify the port configuration detail. So what is the port? This is the port configuration detail. Bits per second 9600, data bits 8, parity none, stop bits 1, and flow control none. So you don't want to change anything, keep as it is. Here the one question is they ask, what is the settings for bits per second? What is the settings bits per second? The bits per second is given as 9600. That is called 90019600. This is the answer. What is the settings for bits per second? Right here, nonsense. Now I have created one separate file. Here, see, I'm going to enter it. What's the bits settings for bits per second? 9600. I'm going to type it over here. 9600 answer. Right? What's the bits per second? 9600. Okay, close, minimize this one. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now press OK. They said that, and screen appears, message displayed, and that press enter. Now I'm going to press the OK button. Once you press the OK button, if you come down, see, press return to get entered. What is the return means? Enter key. Where it is there, enter key in the keyboard. So this is the enter key. This is your keyboard. This is enter key. Enter key, or it means they're telling that return. The return means press return to get started. So return means they're telling that we have to press the which one? That is called the enter key, where it is available in your keyboard. This enter key. Now I am going to press the enter key in my keyboard. Press enter. See, immediately we have entered into the user execution mode. That is the first mode. Always when you log in into the any device, it will enter into the user execution mode. Okay, so the screen appears and press return, get return, and press enter key. Now what the prompt displayed on this one? What is the prompt is coming? This is the prompt is coming. What is the prompt? S1 greater than symbol. Mathematics, you have studied about this greater than symbol. This is the prompt is displayed. So I'm going to, so what the prompt is displayed on the screen? This one, S1 greater than. Am I right? So this is the answer is we have to enter here. Okay, now come back. I hope it is clear about this point. Now we have completed step 2. Now we are entering into the step 3. What is the step 3 they're telling? The step 3, suppose that is called that step 3 is explore iOS help. Now we are going to get some help from this iOS. What the help? We don't know anything about it. What is the command and what's the command is going to use? We don't know anything about it. So for that, there is a one simple method they have given in that Cisco, that is called, symbol is called question mark. When you're going to use this question mark, we will get all the commands, the list of commands, available commands in that our user execution mode. Okay, so you don't worry about how I remember all the, you don't want to remember anything. Just make a question mark, then that list of commands will be displayed to you. Then easily you can identify the your required command. Now you can proceed further. Now similarly, I'm going here. Now what I'm going to do? I'm going to make the one word, that is a question mark. See, once moment I entered in the question mark, the list of commands are displayed in that screen. So where these commands are available, where in the user execution mode, right? These are our commands. How? This is the which symbol is using the question mark symbol. Now I'll go to the here. So sorry. So what is the use of the question mark at the prompt? What they mention here. So what is the use of the question mark? The question mark is useful for us just display list out or display or list of commands in user execution mode. List of commands in the user execution. What is a to display? You can change to list the commands in user execution mode. You got my point? So what is the use of the question mark? The question mark is using to display the commands in the user execution mode or privilege execution mode, whatever it may be, but to display the list of commands. Okay, even we don't want to list the commands. That's it. Okay, that is the use of the question mark. Okay, fine, great. Now I'll minimize this one. The question mark is coming. Now there is another here is given. Suppose that is some question is coming. So what are the commands are start with the C? What are the commands are start with the yes? So would you like to display it? Yes, it is possible. Now we know very well. So this is the C command and D is then E and that too many commands in yes, too many commands in T. But if you want to display only the particular starting letter commands, yes, it is possible. For that, what we have to do? You press C question mark. See, only the command only display. Connect only display because the starting letter is C, only command is applied. Suppose I want that T question mark, only the starting letter T only is coming. You got my point? Now only the starting letter. Suppose I want start with the TE. What is it? So only the two commands are is only is available. Why it is not coming? Because it start with the TR. So that it start with so this is a way easily we can identify the commands with the help of that help the question mark. Okay, you got my point. Now here is there any question is here? Is there any question? No, there is no question here. Okay, good. Now I hope where we want to go in the packet listener activity. Now this is done. Now this is explore. Now we have completed the part 1. So the part 1 is we have completed. Part 2 establish the basic connections, access CLA and explore help. The part 1 is we have completed. Now we will move to the part 2. What is the part 2? Explore exe command, that is called execution mode command. As we discussed before, there are 3 basic commands in that. One is user execution mode, privilege execution mode, another one is that global configuration mode. Right. Now currently we are in which mode? Currently we are in that is called user execution mode. So greater than we are in currently user, already we have entered. Right. Now we want to move to the user, that is a privilege execution, that is a second level. For that, how to go to the privilege execution mode, and we are going to use here one special command called enable. So this command is useful for to take it to the where in that privilege execution mode. Now when you click that question mark, now you might have seen that the command is called enable. See what is the description is given? Turn on privilege command. So that turn on, suppose you want to go to the privilege execution mode, which command we are going to use? Enable. See the description, enable, turn on privilege execution mode, right? So this is the command we are going to use. Before enter the enable command, is there any question is there? And enter the currently the prompt is user executable devices is waiting. Yes, currently we are now entered. What command is displayed when that what information is displayed that describes the enable command? So what information is displayed here? What information is displayed? And yeah, turn on privilege. So just right click it, copy and paste it here, right? So turn on, this is the information is displayed, description is displayed, turn on privilege command is displayed, is coming. Okay, fine. Now we'll move back to there. Okay, fine. Now what is this one? Suppose what the command we are going to use? We are going to use the command called enable, right? Now enable, either you know the spelling, you have the confidence to enable, you can type enable full, enable. Suppose sometimes we will make some typing mistake. if you make the typing mistake, then definitely we will get the error message. Example, if you type like this, see the error message, something is coming. See, there is no command. For that, what we have to do, we have to, I'm just stop this one. Control shift 4 5 6. Yeah. So now I'm just making the spelling mistake. Purposely I'm making the spelling mistake to understand the. Again there is some thing is coming. Okay. Just I'll stop this one. Why it's not stopping? I have to stop this one. Stop. Yes, stop. Now, if you, let me show that the error message. Okay, don't worry. So that is how you will get the error message. I will show it here. So this is the error message. You suppose if you make that any mistake, no, how you will get the error message? Where is the error message? I won't show the error message. See, this is error message. That is called percentage command incomplete command. So this is the error message you will get it. It means that is command is not correct. So in such a way that we have to avoid our error. So now we don't want to make any typing mistake. So in that, so that what they gave, no, in that Cisco packet is very simply they gave. That is we have to use one special button in the keyboard, then automatically it will come. Now we don't want to type the full letter, just type en, just type the word en, then press the tab key. Where is the tab key? Is there in your keyboard? See the tab key. You understand? This is the tab key. Just type only the first 2 letter or 3 letters, press the tab key, then automatically that record the command automatically will come. Now I am going to press the tab key. This tab key I am pressing the tab key, see enable is automatically coming. So now it is very easy for us and quickly we can use this command. We don't want to waste our time for the typing. So enable, press enter. See, now once you press the enter, now now see your prompt is changed now, right? And go to here. Is there any question is here? And what displays after pressing the tab key? What displays? What is coming? Tab key. It is coming the full word, that is called what displayed in that tab key. Once you entered, what is coming? It is showing the full enable. Am I right or not? It's showing full enable. How does the prompt change when you enter the enable command and press enter? Once you press enter, what is the prompt is change? How is the prompt? Your prompt is coming like this. Okay, I'm going to copy paste it here. I'm going to copy paste. That is the S1 hash is coming. Am I right or not? Automatically it is coming. Fine. Now fine. So now here, now currently you are in which mode? Currently you are in global configuration mode. Currently you are in global configuration mode. Now we want to display what are the commands are available in the global configuration mode. Press question mark. See, this much of the commands are available in that where in the global configuration. So there are many commands are there in the global, as we discussed in the theory part, and in the user execution mode only limited commands. That the global in the privileged execution mode you will have, that is all the commands are available in the privileged execution mode. Currently you are in which mode now? Currently you are in privileged execution mode, right? Now from the privileged execution mode we want to move to the next level. Which level? That is called global configuration mode. So here mentions here how to enter the global configuration mode. There is a special command is available called configure. If you go there, you might see that the command is called configure. enter the configuration mode. Configure mode, global configuration mode means that what? Global configuration mode. Now I'm going to enter the command is called configure. C-O-N, press tab. Configure, CONF, press tab. See, that is any, I said now 2, 3 or 4. At least the word you type, press the tab key, the configure will come. The configure is coming. Okay. Press enter. Immediately it is asking configure from terminal memory or network command terminal. Press enter. Now, Alhamdulillah, now it is entered into the global configuration mode. Is there any question is here? Yes. How many commands are available start with the C in the privilege? Now, better we will answer the how many commands are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many commands are there in the privilege execution mode? There are 5. There are 5 commands are there. First, we will answer this question. There are 4. 5, no? 5. 5, I said no? 5 commands. Okay. Now, enter the global configuration mode. What is that message that is when entering the configure command enter? What is the message is coming when they enter that configure terminal? This message is displayed. Am I right? What message? Configure terminal. This message is displayed. Is it clear? Now we will copy this message and paste it here. This is a message is displayed. Okay. How does the prompt change? This also answer is that this is the prompt is changed like this. The final prompt is changed like this. Am I right or not? The prompt is changed. Okay, fine, great. Now what they're telling, what that how they are telling that now these are all point is done. So configure is done and all that done. What is the next thing? How to exit? How to now? Currently you are in which mode? Currently you are in and configure. Now currently you are in global configuration mode. Now how to exit from this privileged execution mode? So there is a one special commands are available end, exit or control Z. Either you use the command is called end or use the command is called exit or you have to press that control Z. So where is this one? This is the control is there now. Control and Z. You have to press both together. Control and you have to press control button. Press Z key. Then automatically it will come. So there is the 3 ways we can exit from the privilege mode. One is end. Another is exit. The last one is control Z. Now what command I have used? Exit command. Now shall we use that end command also? I will show you. So now configure. Now I am typing the end command. I use the exit command. Now end command, pressing. Now again it is coming out. Again I am moving. See, and now I'm going to use the control Z. I'm pressing the keyboard, control Z. So now it is coming. So 3 ways we can exit from the privileged execution mode. You got my point? Great. So this is done. Now we are moved to the last part, part 3. The part 3 that is set the clock. Why is the set the clock? There is some command is available here. The clocks. So manage the system clock. You are going to manage your system clock. Now currently what is the clock now? So just use the command is called show clock. Where is the show? It shows command is already available. See, the show is command is available. It show running system information. Show running system information. So show command. When show command, what is the time is coming? 9:34 and March 1. There is some time, something is coming. Is there any question is here? Yes. How do you exit? Then we can use the end command, exit command and control CTRL plus Z. This is the way we can exit. And what is the clock for? This is a clock format, hour, minute, second. And Wednesday, some message. This is the format is clock. And when you are using the show clock command and the privilege execution mode, what information is displayed and what is the year that is displayed? They are asking that When you're going to use the show clock, what information coming? What is the thing? This is coming. Okay, just copy this one and paste it here. So this is the information is coming. Okay, now what information display when you type clock question mark? Now the thing is, we want to, is this correct date and time? No, this is not correct date and time. We have to change it to the today's date and time. For that, what is the format? And this is the format is for that clock format: hour, minute, second, and the month, date, and the year. For that, clock space question mark. See, space, this is space is very important. Clock space question mark. Now we have to use the one command is called extra set command. The set command is using for to set the time and the date. Now use the set. Now after that we don't know. You press it, see incomplete command is, see that error is coming. It means that still the command is not completed. So how to use this one? Now clock set question mark. Now it is asking hour, minute, second, current time. Hour means now I am timing, I am going to fix 9 colon and 57 minute colon seconds, for an example 30 seconds. Okay, enter. Why it's still incomplete? Because still some more is there. It means that, see, this is the format, month and year also we have to give. Now again give the space question mark. See, we have to enter the month and year of the thing. Now I am going to enter, what is the month? February, date is 12 2025. Enter it. See, alhamdulillah, now it's set. Clock set. Now show clock. Enter. See, it's now current time is showing. What is the UTC? That is called universal time clock. Right? That is called universal time clock. It is showing. Now it means that, so this is the format we have to use it for to set the clock. Shall I move here? Is there any question? Is what information displayed when you use the clock question mark? What is the information is displayed when I use that clock question mark? This is show displayed. Okay, copy, paste it here. Paste. Now, what information is being requested when you clock set question mark? And this is the information is asked. Okay, that's question mark. Okay, now after that it's time setting. It's almost, this is the answer we have done, and now this is the thing. Now go to here and all we done. So enter all we have done. So this is the one by one. Is there any additional settings we can try? Alhamdulillah, this is the activity for 2.3.7. Okay, thank you.